It's like looking at the future of technology. The world's first 3D printed bridge is built right in front of you. And yes, you'll be able to walk across once it's done. Hey guys, I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60. 3D printing company MX3D, based in the Netherlands, is planning to print a 3D bridge over a canal in the center of Amsterdam. Yes, that's a real canal with real running water underneath. The inventors created a robotic structure that can fully rotate to print the fast-setting metal structures in all directions. As the designers say,
it was like drawing midair.
And drawing is the perfect description. The robots will print the bridge using molten metal to create lines of steel. And by printing multiple lines at once, like weaving a basket, the printer will be able to create a bridge long enough to span the length of the canal. But will it hold? Looks like it, based on a small-scale model. Construction starts in September of 2015, and MX3D will announce the exact location soon, although it's unclear how long the bridge will take to print. But if it's anything like our printer at work, they could be printing for a long time. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.